The Eiffel Tower in Paris, an iconic symbol of the city and one of the most famous landmarks in the world, was initially designed to be a temporary structure. Conceived and built by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, World's Fair, its original purpose was to serve as an impressive centerpiece for the exhibition and showcase France's technological prowess. At the time of its construction, many Parisians regarded the tower as an eyesore and criticized its bold and unconventional design. However, despite the initial skepticism, the Eiffel Tower soon captured the imagination of people around the globe with its towering height and intricate iron lattice work. Due to its overwhelming popularity and the tower's value as a telecommunication station, the decision was made to keep it standing beyond its original intended lifespan of 20 years. Today, the Eiffel Tower remains a beloved symbol of Paris, attracting millions of visitors annually and serving as a testament to the enduring allure of architectural ingenuity.